This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by grabbing the kit and placing it on a flat surface. Open it immediately and confirm its contents. You should verify ID, phone charger, and emergency contact info first, because communication is critical. Once done, check water quantities and medications so you don't discover a missing dose later. Make sure to note any special needs, infant formula, glasses, or prescriptions, so you can prioritize packing them next. This gets you moving without delay and prevents common oversights. You now organize the kit into clear categories so retrieval is fast under stress. Group medical supplies, tools, food, warmth, and documents together. As you pack, test flashlights and replace batteries if needed, then fold clothing into easy-access pouches so you can grab layers quickly. Once done, tailor contents for family members. Add pediatric medications, pet food, or mobility aids where appropriate, because specific items save time and reduce panic. Make sure to seal documents in waterproof bags and label pouches. You finish by placing the kit where everyone can reach it, near an exit or by the main door, and tell household members its location so no one wastes time searching. Then schedule reminders to check expirations, rotate food, and test batteries quarterly. This prevents surprises when you need the kit most. If something is missing or damaged during checks, replace it promptly. For example, if water containers leak, discard, disinfect, and refill so your kit remains reliable. That final upkeep keeps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.